So now I will discuss the how to solve quadratic equation. तो मेनली देयर आर 3 मेथड जो एनसीईआरटी में है: फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर एंड क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला मेथड. So now I am going to solve exercise 4.2 NCERT book. Exercise 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इसमें हमें यूज़ करना है फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. फर्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन 1 में 5 पार्ट्स है, तो आई विल सॉल्व two parts for you. Rest 3 you can solve it for yourself. In case of doubt, you can write me in comment section. So question 1 का मैं सेकेंड पार्ट सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. एक तो इट्स 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 6 इक्वल्स टू 0. तो सिंपल जस्ट बाय मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग we can solve this. Now take 2x as common. Now x plus 2 is common. Now this implies what? Either x plus 2 is 0 or 2x minus 3 is 0, and this implies either x is minus 2 or x is 3 upon 2. So these are the two answers, minus 2 and 3 by 2. Now I am going to solve fourth part. क्वेश्चन 1 फोर्थ पार्ट. क्योंकि यहाँ फ्रैक्शन है, इसमें लोगों को काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है. 2x स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस 1/8 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो हाउ टू डू दिस? फर्स्टली सिंप्लीफाई दिस. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड्स पे 8 जस्ट टू रिमूव दिस फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. So I have multiplied both sides by 8. So now we have this. Now just use the middle term splitting method. Four x common. So this implies x equals to 1 by 4. So we have two roots, both are real and obviously equal. Real and equal. Now in question number 2, you just need to solve example 1. It's like similar to the question number 1. So I will move on to question number 3 now. I am doing question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let the numbers be x and 27 minus x. क्योंकि यहाँ गिवन है कि दो नंबर का सम क्या है 27 है, तो अगर फर्स्ट नंबर को हमने x माना तो सेकेंड नंबर ऑब्वियसली क्या होगा 27 माइनस एक्स. अब यहाँ पे गलती क्या होती है समटाइम्स x माइनस 27, बच्चे लिखते हैं x माइनस 27 वेयर इज इट विल बी 27 माइनस एक्स. तो इसका ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे. नाउ प्रोडक्ट इज सिंस प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन, सो 27 minus x multiplied by x equals to 182. Now simplify it. Bring all the terms to the one side. Now we got the quadratic equation. Now we need to factorize this. So what are the factors? How to factorize this? 182 को factorize करना है so that दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई, we need two numbers जिसका प्रोडक्ट 182 आ जाए और सम करने पे -27 आ जाए. तो इसको अपने आप 182 को फैक्टराइज करो. Look, 7 2 is 14, तो 14 और 13 कैन बी टेकन एज फैक्टर्स. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग तो 9 में वैसे भी किया होगा. -14x माइनस 13x प्लस 182 इक्वल्स टू 0. Now x minus 14 is common. This implies x equals to 13 comma 14. So this is the answer, x equal to 13 and 14. So we have did question number 3rd. Now I am going to do question number 5th. Question number 5th. In this case, we have a right angle triangle. Since name is not given, we can name them as you wish. Call it A, B, C. It says the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. तो बेस को हम x मान लेते हैं, तो ऑल्टीट्यूड x माइनस 7 होगा. एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13. द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड इज ऑलवेज अपोजिट टू द लार्जेस्ट एंगल, दैट इज 90 डिग्री. सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? सिंस ABC is a right angle triangle, so just by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. X minus 7 square plus x square equals to 13 square. X square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square equal to 169. Now x square plus x square, it is 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equals to 0. Simplify this. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. 2 can be taken as common. 2 common लेके we will divide both sides by 2. So x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now इसको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग करना है और उसके बाद इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? What are the factors that you can take so that by multiplying those two numbers हमें क्या आना चाहिए? -60, and by adding those two numbers we should get -7. So it will be -12 and 5. It needs a little bit practice. If you have did it in class 9, then it will not be a problem for you. Otherwise you will have to do a little bit more practice so that you can split it in a less time. Now we have x minus 12 into x plus 5 equals to 0. This implies x equals to -5 and 12. Now look, we are getting two values, -5 and 12, but we will neglect this. Why? This value is neglected since side is a kind of length. Length cannot be negative. Therefore, we will neglect this value -5. So what we have? We have x equal to 12 means base is 12. Base is 12. What is altitude? X minus 12. X minus 7. X minus 7. So 12 minus 7, we are getting 5. This thing equals to 5. Now you can check it. 12 square plus 5 square. 144 plus 25 equals to 13 square, 169. So answer is correct also. Just by putting the values here in this equation, you can check the answer. So we have did the question number 5th. Note down. Now I will move on to question number 6. What it says, a cottage industry produces a certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. तो यहाँ पे सपोज कर लेंगे पहले, लेट the number of articles produced on a particular day be X. Now cost of each article क्या होगा? तो whatever condition is given in the question, according to that we will take the cost of the article, and it says cost will be 3 more than twice the number of article produced. The number of article produced is X, so twice of X. Cost will be twice of X, 3 more than twice of article, so 2x plus 3. Now we have the number of article produced in a day and cost of each article given, and total cost is given on that particular day is 90. So according to the given question, according A for according, T for 2, according to the given question, we have 2x plus 3 cost multiplied by number of articles equals to what? 90, which is given in the question. So now 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this. So how to solve this? इसको फैक्टराइज करना होगा. वन 180 इसको स्प्लिट करना होगा. So we can take 15 and 12, since here it is minus sign, so larger number हम एक ले लेंगे प्लस और एक ले लेंगे माइनस. So लो 2x square 3x can be written as 15x minus 12x. Just I am using middle term splitting method. Now x can be taken as common. 2x plus 15 minus here 12 and 90. What is the highest factor in 12 and 90? 6. So 6 now 2x plus 15. So this implies x equals to minus 15 by 2 and x equals to 6 again. Now number of articles produced on a particular day. So number of article, it cannot be negative. So we will neglect this value. This value is neglected. So x is equal to 6 is the correct answer. Number of article produces x and cost of each article. It will be twice of x plus 3. So 6 to the 12 plus 3 it is 15. So we have finished exercise 4.2. Now I will move on to exercise 4.3. So we have did exercise 4.2. It was based on the method of factorization. Now in exercise 4.3, question number 1, it is based on method of completing the square. तो किसी भी क्वेश्चन को किसी भी तरीके से कर सकते हैं, पर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को हमें मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर से करना है. So I am going to explain now what is the method of completing the square method. So try to grasp the concept properly. And then one more method will be left out, that is quadratic formula method. That I will discuss in the next video. So after discussing this method, quadratic formula method, I will discuss it in the next video. So let us take one question. Exercise 4.3, question 1, part 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. अब इसको ध्यान से समझना है. The first step, make the coefficient of x square equals to 1. तो क्या करना होगा, इसको इसकी कोफिशिएंट जो भी है उसी नंबर से बोथ साइड्स को हमें डिवाइड कर देना है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय 2. Zero by 2 is 0. So we have divided both sides by 2. Now first term you will always get in this form, x square or y square, whatever the variable is. Now put the minus sign. Now every time you have to write 2 first, then write x, then look. This is the main step. Now what should I take here? 2 into x into what will be equal to 7 by 2x. Look, suppose I take it to be equal to b. Let's say b. It means 2 into x into b, it will be equal to what? 7 by 2x. क्योंकि माइनस साइन तो है ही अपनी जगह, तो 7 by 2x इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू बी. लेट से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो b इक्वल्स टू क्या आ गया? 7/4. तो इफ़ वी रिप्लेस b बाय 7/4, लुक अब इसमें मैंने कोई चेंज भी नहीं किया. 2 to the 4, जस्ट वी हैव written this in this form 2ab, a square minus 2ab, this is b. So what we are going to do now, we will add b square and we will subtract b square. जो नंबर ऐड किया वो सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर दिया और प्लस 3/2 तो पहले से था यहाँ पे, तो हमने इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं किया. जस्ट आई हैव चेंज द फॉर्म. लुक नाउ दीज 3 टर्म्स कैन बी रिटन एज x minus 7/4 whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to what? a minus b square. Now these 2 terms can be taken to the right hand side. So this minus will become plus 49/16 minus 3/2. Simplify it. So we are getting 25/16. So x minus 7/4 square equals to 25/16. This implies what? This implies x minus 7/4 equals to प्लस माइनस इसको डालना होगा स्क्वायर रूट में 25/16. इट मीन्स x minus 7/4 equals to प्लस माइनस 5/4. तो एक बार हमें प्लस 5/4 लेना है और एक बार माइनस 5/4. सो x minus 7/4 equals to 5/4. पहला पार्ट ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट x minus 7/4 equals to minus 5/4. x equals to, सिंपल सॉल्व करना है इसको राइट हैंड साइड में ले आके. तो वी आर गेटिंग वन वैल्यू एज 3 and another value as 1/2. So we are getting 2 values, x equal to 3 and x equal to half. So this is the way of doing this question by using square method. It is also known as the square method, completing the square method. So now there are 3 more parts in this question. You can try it out. So in the next video I will discuss from question number 2 onwards, which are based on the quadratic formula. So do like, share and subscribe and comment.